This is the Advanced Orthopaedics Hinge Range of Motion Elbow Brace, HIPIC code L3760. This brace is a universal right and a universal left elbow brace. As we view the brace, you will see a flexion and extension easy-to-use dial with locking mechanism, plush padding for a comfort fit, telescopic length adjustments at forearm and bicep, as well as customized arm contours for the hand to fit. To apply this brace, simply lay your arm into the brace and start by bending the contour pad to fit around the bicep and forearm. Next, continue to use the Velcro to secure the brace. If adjustments need to be made, revisit the telescopic length adjustment at the forearm and bicep, check the Velcro, and secure again. As the healing process continues, your doctor may adjust the range of motion on the dial by simply adjusting the slide and locking into a new position. Also, this brace comes with an adjustable strapping system to help increase support. For more information about this product, please visit our website at www.advanced-orthopedics.com or give us a call at 800-270-7074.